Richard Radke here. Today I'm going to do a review on multiple income funnel cost review. But before we get to the cost, let me show what you all get just for joining this amazing opportunity. First of all, I go here to the links, which shows you all the links you get. Uh, Basically, there's a capture pages and with the links, and you can use it one or as many as you want. I use several of them, depending where I'm sending it to. Then you got your training. First of all, they have weekly training calls. Then you have a marketing system that shows you how to do your marketing a lot better. Then you have another training, which is success. It work on you. That means improve your personality. And then it shows you how to get traffic and where and multiple follow-ups and YouTube, Facebook, blocks more time and a bunch of bonuses. So the other thing that you get here is it shows you all your leads that you get. And you get an email with each lead, so you can email them and give them a little more information, and they can also contact you. And of course, the company also emails them to help you get more information. And then you have your leaderboard. It shows you who all the leaders are. Then you have resources, which shows you some sample follow-up emails you can use to follow up with your leads. And then it shows you, if you click on there, it shows you all your businesses. And then you got bonus income streams, which I'll talk about later. Okay, that's basically everything that you get with it. Now, if you go, you start here. First of all, you watch this video, and then you can join the opportunity. It shows you everything about it, and then when you want to join, it shows you how to get signed up. That's the number one, and that right now they got a deal on. It's half price, $49 a month, and if you get somebody to join you under that, you get $20. And if you want a better deal, go for the yearly deal, which is $350, and then you get a $200 commission. So it's quite a bit better deal, but it's your choice. Then there's income number 2 and income number 3, which you can put in whatever you want. If you've got other opportunities, you can put them in here. And if you don't have any, you can use the ones I use if you want to. They're both under $10 a month each, so that's a pretty good deal. Then you got number 4, which is Traffic Academy, which is a very good place to get high quality leads. They've been in business for, I don't know, 10 years or something like that. And then you got your bonus leads, which I also use. It's you get 100 leads for $1 a day, so you get 3,000 leads by the end of the month, and you can email them every day, which is part of their system. So I do that every day too. So that pretty well tells you everything you get. So I don't know really what else I should tell you today. So, but you can also get watch this video. I'll put a link underneath so you can watch this video. It's a 21-minute video that Matt does, and he does a very good job. And I'll also and you can also join with that same link, and I'll also put my contact information underneath so you can join with that same link. And that's all I'm going to say for today. So I hope you're having a great day.